Unlocking French Girl Beauty, simple skincare and hair care tips. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, we're diving into the effortless charm and timeless elegance of French girl beauty. Think radiant skin, natural hair, and that chic I woke up like this vibe. Today, we're diving into the effortless charm and timeless elegance of French girl beauty. Think radiant skin, natural hair, and that chic I woke up like this vibe. Let's get started. Now we talk about on French girl skincare secrets. First, we talk about on the minimalist approach. French skincare focuses on using fewer products, but ensuring they are high quality. Key products include gentle cleansers, hydrating toners, lightweight moisturizers, and broad-spectrum sunscreens. Now we talk about on double cleansing method. Use an oil-based cleanser, followed by a gentle water-based cleanser to remove makeup and impurities. This technique keeps skin clean without stripping its natural oils. Next, we talk about on importance of hydration. French women prioritize hydration over excessive exfoliation. They like to use hydrating mists and serums with hyaluronic acid help maintain skin moisture. Last but not the least, we talk about on facial massage. French women doing a regular facial massages to stimulate blood flow and promote a youthful glow. Now we move on to French girl hair care secrets. Embracing natural hair texture, French women often prefer effortless, undone hairstyles. They prefer to use minimal heat styling, helps maintain healthy hair. Low maintenance washing routine. Shampoo less frequently to maintain natural oils and prevent dryness. They always choose a sulfate-free shampoos and nourishing conditioners. Hair masks and oils. Use lightweight oils such as argan oil for moisture and shine. Weekly hair masks with natural ingredients for deep conditioning. Now we move on to lifestyle and diet tips. First, balanced diet. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and olive oil for glowing skin. Second, hydration. Drink a plenty of water and herbal teas for detoxification. Third, stress management. Simple lifestyle practices like daily walks and proper sleep contribute to overall beauty. I hope these French girl beauty secrets inspire you to embrace a simple and elegant approach to your skincare and hair care routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more beauty tips from around the world. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for